Alright, we're middle of a swarm here.
Woohoo! Yeah, this is fun.
My God. They're all going in. They're going. Look at this.
In the midst of. We're in the midst of this swarm here. This is really interesting. Let's see if I get a video.
Right here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The landing on the floor.
You ever see something like this? No.
Oh, I'm getting touched by one. The wind is.
Are they coming down? Yeah.
We're in the midst of. Whoa! Whoa! There! They're right there. Oh, I'm in it. I am. Oh my gosh. Whoa! How did you do this? That was so cool. Oh my gosh. And this is what we call. Yeah, your hand is getting full of them. They're walking into the box. Oh, I got bees landing on people.
Oh my God.
Oh, they're touching my head. Yeah, let's get a lot. So that in the far background is our apiary, and one of the swarms escaped. Oh, the wind is blowing. This is so cool.
They're all laying on the floor also,
They're landing everywhere because they don't know where the noise is from. Yeah, because you're holding it like a coin. Okay, hold.
Why is this hive so busy? And then we're like, a swarm!
Let's get boxes. We have extra boxes.
We're
Going to get boxes. I just like the look now. It's a really cool scene.
Oh, they're all here.
Yeah, they're landing there, Ty. We should lower it. I'm gonna go get you a box.